Good morning. I am Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science. We will see the topic for structure of food. Structure of food. The structure as related to the food is not a entity in itself, but rather the accumulated effects of several characteristics or qualities to create the individual. Such as first one is structure is first one very important one thing is appearance, second one feel to touch, third one softness, fourth one mouth to feel. Food structure. Structure is the term used to describe the characteristics of finished food products. Second point, every food product has a distinct structure so that one can see, feel, and eat it. Third point, this is now one of the main points to be considered while planning the menu, as it is very important for each food prepared in the kitchen. Third one, observation, practice, and understanding recipe is the only way for one of the understand the exact structure of any food preparation. The practice is only way to the learn about the structure. Appearance. It is the first factor in the appreciation of food. The size, shape, distribution of cells are the prime importance. Ideally, the whole should be comparatively small, slightly oval, and evenly distributed. The large cell produce the coarse cells to the eyes, as in the cakes, bread, etc. Next one, feel to touch. The perspective to touch should be set, as it is described to be a sponge cake should be lightly and spongy. Softness. It is the characteristics of structure and the product should possess the relations. It's like the relations mean the springiness to gradually return to its normal shape, idli, bread, etc. Next one, mouth feel. The structure involve the feel or bite, tenderness. Example, dry, soft, wet, hard, crumpliness and salts. Various structure describes and undesirable structure. Describable structure. There are the good structure of the food. They indicate the good quality of food. Hence, they are always preferable in every food that is prepared following are the example of the describable structure of the food. Firm and closes. The structure of food will be firm and close together. Rising agents are added to the food. The volume of the food will be increased. The holes are even and close together. They are small and equally distributed in the over the food products. Next one, soft and crumbly. The final product is soft and crumbly. It will just melt in your mouth when you are eating them. They are very delicate in the nature. The right quantity of the fat is used to get the good structure like this. It is if the proportion goes the wrong, the final structure may be different from the good one. Light and even. These are the very light and even food structure. There are the plenty of holes and are the equally distributed in the food. It is less salt than pastry and less sponge than sponge. Most commonly cake have this structure is in spongy. There are plenty of holes present in the food and are equally distributed into the food. As the air is trapped while making the food, they are very soft and light food products to the touch like sponge, cakes, idlis, etc. Flaky structure. The flaky. These products have thin and crispy layer of flakes and they are formed by the air pockets. The crispiness is due to the method of rubbing the fat into the flour in order to get the good flaky structure. The right amount of ingredients, proper mixing method, correct structure, ID required. They are mostly used for the bakery items. Smooth. When the dry ingredients are added into the liquid ingredients and blended to the smooth paste form, it results in smoothie texture. Next one, desirable and undesirable texture. Now we see the non-desirable texture. They are undesirable texture of the food which are not good sign of the preparation. By and I mean, if something goes wrong, this recipe, this texture are formed and are in the indicating of the fault food preparations, and hence one should avoid the formation of following texture. First one, harsh texture. The air enclosed in the product may be derived of due to the addition of extra liquid into it, or has not mixed properly, or something. If it is the temperature is too low, many result is harsh texture. Next one, coarse and open. This may be caused by improper way of mixing, or when too much of rising agents are used in the food, may result is coarse or open texture of food. The holes are uneven and are wide open into the food. Soggy texture. This is the again of the bad food texture. This may happen if there is too much of moisture or liquid presence in the food. In tens of sticks to the hand or pan or vessels, it can be found in the various recipes preparations. Lumpy texture. This happens when the solid and liquids are not mixed properly at the same temperature, or even if they are not even temperature. Once the lumps are cooked, they are very difficult to remove. They may occur the sauce, suji, halwa or paste. Food consistency. The food consistency are the physical states or characteristics of the prepared food. They occur during the preparation of food. The food consistency is the one of the major components of food evaluation. A desired the food consistency will give the best appreciation, whereas undesired would result in dissatisfaction. Following are the various types of food consistency: thin, thick dropping, thick pouring, moist, dry. Thank you.